Yeah. Yeah.
Yep, we got a funnel.
We're gonna have to be. Oh, dude, this sucks. We gotta hope this thing doesn't go right. If it
we gotta go. Get in the car. Get in. You
gotta go left?
Yeah, we gotta go left a little bit. Funnel over the car.
What do I do with the iPad? There it is.
Lock in.
I know, yeah, lock in. And now I'm unlocked. Locked out. Rock and roll.
My back camera's covered in mud. Did that hot tula. All right, back on the road.
Right across the line right now. It'll be messing up though.
Easy man on where that company is. Is it to the point now? No, it's still about the same, but it looks good.
Oh, this is out. This is old. I have not gotten the new scan.
My scans, I do.
Okay. Yeah, this is super delayed.
Not the best, but it's there. I think we might make it just in time.
I think so. Okay, so we can go.
Yeah, this road's not bad at all.
Just keep on. Oh, yeah, we'll just stay on this road. It's literally gonna be right there, about 2 miles.
I mean, we can kind of make it out right there.
Yeah. This looks like a little clear slot too.
Perfect execution. Oh, we got a severe thunderstorm once finally.
Yeah.
When did that happen?
A little while ago. I wasn't too worried about it. We're already watching the severe thunderstorm.
Right. Oh.
Yeah, I don't know about funnel. Maybe it almost looks like a little bowl over to the left. Further over there.
It might be. Might have some RP kicking in a minute.
Yeah.
Pretty much. Oh yeah, nice bowl. Look at it right there. Watch
Oh,
it.
here, yeah, you watch the road.
See that right there?
Yeah, I see
it's
it.
dipping. Not really a funnel yet, but it's. Oh yeah,
Yeah, I can see it.
nice lowering.
And trees. Or trees.
Right when we get.
We'll get 2 miles. We'll be out of the trees, back on the flat ground.
Okay, great.
Actually, it might be before that.
Now playing 2 miles will be out of the trees back on the ground on YouTube Music.
What the? Shut up, Siri. That's even. How's that even a song? Who writes that crap? Where'd it go? Oh, I think it heard me say shut up.
YouTube Music doesn't seem to be responding.
Okay, shut up.
There's gonna be a little zigzag coming out. I have to watch for water. Looks like it goes down low.
Flood area ahead. Oh crap.
If we can't, then we can go back to that other road.
Impassable during high water.
Let's see.
Do not enter when flooded. Oh crap. Maybe. Oh, we're screwed.
Yep.
It's flooded. We gotta go back.
Yeah, do a little 10-point turn.
Should we turn here?
Yeah.
We're not
So we
gonna
can face
stop.
the other way. Yeah.
I'll back up all the way up the hill at least.
Okay. All right, hang on. I came across the flooded road, so we're gonna have to turn around and go back to that road that y'all are on.
Are they over to the side?
Yeah.
You guys chasing this?
Yes, sir. We're not trying that though.
Lightning literally hit like 3 feet
I-
away from my car.
Yeah,
I
I don't know. It's up to you. Oh damn. So they're locals, but they're wanting to.
I don't like that, but
Boom.
they're not go out there by themselves and get killed.
Yeah.
So they were. Whoa!
It looks like it's just kind of.
It's to our north
It's
now.
kind of, yeah, it's kind of sitting there. So we do need to. We need to be careful.
Maybe just watch it from here.
Yeah. It almost looks like a clear slot above us.
Let's watch right here for a second.
Yeah.
It shows it's right over us.
I know. There's that down there, a little appendage, but it almost looks like sidewalk
For a second, so I can kind of monitor.
Yeah.
I think we got. Hang on, is that a funnel coming down right there?
It looks like it, yeah. Yeah.
Yep, we got a funnel.
We're gonna have to be. Oh, dude, this sucks. We gotta hope this thing doesn't go right. If it,
We gotta go. Get in the car. Get in.
You wanna go west?
Yeah, we gotta go left a little bit. Funnel over the car.
Hey, we got a funnel coming down right in front of us.
Over the
It's actually just north of us. We're on.
Holy crap! There it is.
We're on Road E and Road 20.
It's coming down.
Yep.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Right next to the car. Let's turn. I think we're good here, right?
I think so. We just gotta watch out because it's kind of been sitting. We'll
Park right here so we can blast west if we need to.
Yeah. How far can we go? We can continue on this road if we need to.
There it is.
Oh wow. Where are we? We are southwest of it's west of Madison. Right here. Ouch. Dude, it's right over the road where we came down. It's going west. It's moving west. Need to report this. Yeah, if you don't mind. What's the nearest NWS office? I think it's Wichita.
I'm going eastbound on I'll tell you right now.
Yeah, the circulation. Do what? What? Oh, we got a solid view of it. It was like a mile from the car.
Yeah. That was a close range too. Pretty close range for a nighttime tornado.
All right, just stay south of it. I'll call you back in a minute. We're trying to maneuver these roads.
Yeah, I am. I'm south.
All right. All right, bye. Oh wow. And thankfully if that road wasn't flooded, we would have missed this.
Yeah. Oh yeah. If we had done a lot of stuff different that we were like beating ourselves up about, we would have missed it.
I mean, we may not have seen it going that way. We were the closest ones out next to it.
We were. Oh my gosh.
I wonder if anyone else got that. No, but we were the closest ones. I need road options.
Alright, in a mile and a half-ish, we'll go right.
We got a lorry coming down on 99 here. Somebody confirm if you can hear me or not, please.
Oh yeah, that's the road over Madison. Copy, we're heading east now towards 99. We're about 4.5 miles west right now.
Yeah, we need to stand on in case it tries to wrap preset behind again.
Yeah.
Hide the tornado if it does drop.
It looks like just over the town of Madison. It seems to be.
Dude, that thing is beautiful. Imagine what it would have looked like in the daylight.
Oh my goodness. During daytime.
But I'm not going to complain.
No.
I'm not going to complain. Damn, that actually kind of terrifies me though, how close we were. It was like over the road that we were on.
We could barely see it when we turned around. Hey, I am so happy that road was flooded. I've never been so happy of a flooded road in my life.
I know. Dude, if the road that we were going down wasn't flooded, we would have missed that tornado. Oh, dude, Kansas never disappoints me, bro. I tell you what.
It's still got a very nice lowering on it. Oh, we can still get a clear view.
Yeah. New tornado warning on the eastern cell. Right towards Gridley.
Look at that structure. Holy crap, that structure's insane. Wow. Casey's is closed. Phillips is open 20. Coming up into town this way. Is that Casey's open? Oh, that Casey's is open 24 hours. That's on our way to the hotel too.
Severe thunderstorm warning, affected area ahead. Please
I love when the
proceed with
GPS
caution.
feels it says
Starting route to Casey's gas station.
Dude, I hate it when I'm doing DoorDash
For about
and there's
15
something going
miles.
on.
Continue straight
Because,
on.
Like when I was dashing during the winter storm, every single time I hit navigate to go to somebody's the drop-off location, it would remind me of the winter storm. Every single
get
time.
so annoyed.
Oh, it was pissing me off. And I looked it up. I did a lot of research. There's no way to turn it off. It's ridiculous. Ames, we just got to the hotel, and the first thing we see is some cock laying in the parking lot. Oh, the Econo Lodge in Emporia. Somebody left their cock laying out here. Oh my gosh, dude! It busted. Don't touch the cock, dude. It's busted all over the place. Look at how it busted, man. Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust. Dude, it's shot all the way over there.